Yes.
I'm delighted to be here this morning amongst some young Fijian innovators and go-getters who have come to showcase their technical skills and innovative ideas and to contribute to a smarter Fijian economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the Smart City Challenge, or Hackathon, it had me confused for a little while when I heard about it. I thought, what are we going to hack into now? The Smart City Challenge, or Hackathon, is an innovation challenge whereby students obviously will engage in a collaborative manner to provide smart solutions using technology such as computer programming, analytics, and visualization.
Thank you so much,
And
ladies
the
and
key
gentlemen.
objectives,
Please
obviously,
sit.
of the Smart City Challenge are to initiate a process for innovation and collaboration to sow the seeds of an innovative ecosystem. It's also to allow university students and industry participants to engage and network for mutual benefit, and also to develop innovative solutions to the three problems faced by all cities around the world, namely climate change, urban mobility, and municipal markets. I've been informed that there are 6 teams, each representing the University of the South Pacific and Fiji National University, and I commend the efforts of the 2 universities for participating and providing us with the solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, the survival of any country or its industries in the future is dependent on innovation and becoming smarter in the way we actually do things. In this regard, the Fijian government's 5-year and 20-year national development plan sets a foundation for building of vibrant cities and towns. And by the way, it's Suva cities, not Suva town.
Sorry.
You got degraded. Please don't mind. Where is Suva city? And hence, a special smart city program will ensure that towns and cities adapt to a global modern management practices, and better urban management and fresh food markets will be restructured and redeveloped where needed. The program will ensure that towns and cities promote green growth initiatives, such as green energy, effective and environmentally friendly transport systems and security for inhabitants, green building construction, technology advancement, and new technologies for solid waste management, all for the purpose of promoting a clean and green environment. In addition, the enhancement of traffic management plans is a crucial component of this particular Smart City program. So therefore, the Smart City Challenge could not be timelier, as it fits well with the Fijian government, or what the Fijian government has set out to do in the next 5 to 20 years. So at this time, I'd like to congratulate the Asian Development Bank for organizing the Smart City Challenge, and we are glad that we've been able to contribute to this event and that Suva City was picked as a venue for this year's challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to give life to the innovative ideas and solutions developed today, the Ministry also will provide the winners an opportunity to have access to funding to further their innovative solutions. The winning groups will be given pre-approval certificates for the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, or YES as we all know it. And in addition, members of the group will undergo a series of training and mentoring with industry stalwarts before the funds are released. The YES provides grant funding for innovative, unique, and commercially viable projects. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the 2017 census, half of our population is below the age of 27. And half, and 69% of Fijians actually, are below the age of 40. So we have a phenomenally young population. And this simply means, as I say, that we are a very, very young nation, which, if given the right resources and support, will be able to achieve great feats. And the vision of the Fijian government is to establish and develop a talented and competitive workforce to equip young people like you with the know-how to succeed in the modern marketplace with the confidence that they can achieve greatness. Therefore, we will need to harness these abilities along with the inherent creativity for the greater benefit of Fiji and the Fijian people. We'd like to encourage all our young people to think outside the box and make Fiji a hub of innovation for the Pacific and the world. We want all of you to be leaders in business, civil society, and government, putting your ideas at the forefront of Fiji's development with your innovative spirit and carrying our nation into the future. I, for one, ladies and gentlemen, would not want to see our young people sit behind the same desk in the same office year in, year out, and not fully utilize their potential. Our youth, as I say all the time, should not only be job seekers, but they also need to be job creators that provide their fellow Fijians with new and exciting opportunities. Coming back to today's event, the Smart City Challenge is to encourage students to continue pursuing their dreams and know that their government is providing them the leg up to make that dream a reality. A classic example, ladies and gentlemen, was yesterday. We went to the Kula Film Festival. You know, over the years, we've seen it graduate into something quite spectacular, and there was some really, really good creative talent last night. And that's just one sector, and it's so wonderful to see, and the participation was actually phenomenal. We had people from Vanuatu and Vitilevu and the Outer Islands who actually attended. So this is the kind of spirit that government is trying to generate and will generate, because you are active participants. After today's event, ladies and gentlemen, all the ideas that have been developed by the participants will be thoroughly assessed, as they could be useful and convenient to the government in terms of addressing, as I said earlier, climate change, urban mobility, and municipal markets. And you never know, you could be looking at the next Fiji's Thomas Edison or Steve Jobs, and that's not a joke. It really isn't. We do have the creative ability to be people like that. You have the creative ability to be people like that. You must never ever forget that. Maybe even the Bill Gates. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'd like to thank the ADB for organizing this event, and I do hope that we'll be able to have this as an annual event, sir. So to all the teams, I wish you all well. And remember, the sky is the limit, and may the best team win. But I'd like to leave by saying something. There's a KPMG board here that says, inspire confidence, empower change. This is our purpose. That also is government's purpose. We want to inspire confidence amongst you. We want to actually empower you. We are beginning, we have started. You are empowered. And as I said earlier, you are a young population in Fiji. And that stands you in good stead. So thank you, KPMG. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to now officially open the Smart City Challenge. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. God bless you.